Lab 2A preparation video demonstration. In this preparation task, I have explored the uses of program organization while programming a robot. So, in this preparation, I have used an AVB robot for programming, where I have used two stations to carry out the tasks. First one is pick place station, which is from where the part is picked up by the robot, and stamping station where the stamping process is done on the part. So what the robot does is it picks up the part from the pick place station, takes it to the stamping station, uh, comes back to the safe distance from the stamping position for the stamping to happen. After that, after completion of the stamping, the robot moves back to the stamping position to pick up the part, and after that it carries the part back to the pick place. So here I have created the pick place subroutine and stamp subroutine, and I have used these two subroutines in the by calling in the main routine, where first of all I have called the pick place subroutine, after that I have called the stamping subroutine, and then stamping, and finally pick place subroutine to put the part back to the original place. Now I'm going to demonstrate this in the simulation. So okay, right now the robot is moving to the uh, peak ready position. Now it is moving up to the approach position for peak place station using joint move. After this, the robot will move using linear motion to the peak place, and it comes back using linear motion, and finally it is moving back to the ready position using joint motion. As soon as this is completed, it moves to the stamping subroutine here. So it is moving to the stamp ready ready position of the stamping process, and now it is taking the part to the approach position of stamping station using joint move. The part will be moved horizontally using linear motion to the actual position, and it is the robot is moving back to go to a safe distance during which after which the stamping process will be done over here. Now, assuming that stamping process has been completed, the robot is moving back to pick up the part from the stamping station. Joint move up to the approach, and linear motion to the actual station. Linear motion back from the station, and now joint move to the ready position. And now it will take the part to the original position of pick place from where the part was picked up. Joint move to the up to the approach position. Now vertical linear motion to move to the pick place and back from the pick place. So this is it. Now here we can see that I have changed the speed of the robot to 50 when moving to the near to the peak position, and used fine position level for for that particular movement, after which I have used 50 when getting back from the peak position to the approach position, and used a relatively fine level of position level. But I have used higher speed and higher position level at other stations, at other positions. So that's it for this video.